Well, over the years, the channel has grown really well, and some of my original videos people wouldn't have seen. So I've decided to remaster them and re-release them. Well, this is one of those, so I hope you enjoy it. Hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment. Right, let's go. So in part one, you saw we test fitted these Deluxe style arches. The fitment was really good, but we now need to dial that right in. So we need to work on that. We need to work on the paint and get the wheels to fit inside those arches. So this is part two. Enjoy. Parts all over the place. So the teardown begins. So it begins. No wings, no skirts. No rear bumper, all stripped off, even the aerials are ready for the transformation. The new wing, the old wing. So as you've seen on the other videos, I've done a strip, so skirt or cover, whatever you want to call it, no front wings. Haven't done anything to the back yet. I have taken off the rear bumper, rear lights, all in prep. I've got to roll the arches, do the camber, do all those pieces. So today, I'm going to put this front fender on. Cleared. Everything's clear. Let's give it a go. Okay, let's go. Let's get this wing on the car. So obviously we need to get it in position, be very careful of this fresh paint, and then once it's all in position correctly, we can start sticking some bolts in and actually bolt it to the chassis of the car. Right, let's get some bolts. Right, starting to line things up now. A little bit of adjustments as I'm doing it. Go, sitting good. Put the arch liner in. Right, last few bolts. Once we've done this, we'll be able to close that bonnet down and see how it fits. Right, let's go for it. Right, stick the bonnet down. Very, very gently, just checking the gaps as we go. Wow, that is some really good fitment. I'm impressed. Did you know that Mad Life has its own merch store? So this is our T-Mill merch store. You can have the Mad inspired designs, Z collection, Action, GTR, all sorts of different t-shirts. If you go into the Z collection, you'll see we also have cups, all sorts of bits and pieces in here. And one of my favourites is the monochrome, which I love that t-shirt. Well, please visit the Mad Life merch store. You'll find the link down in the description and get your Mad Life merch. Right, well, let's get back to the video.
I like to get paid, that's why I work every day. I'll be making money till I'm in my grave. Don't care what they say, I'll buy time with my money. Laughing to the bank cause it's funny. The money keep coming, I manifest it.
Okay, so our next job is to roll these arches. I'm not going to be cutting my arches. We are going to roll them and widen them out that little bit. So we gently need to keep rolling it backwards and forwards to try to flatten that arch off as much as we can. Now, we do have stretch on our tyres, and we are going to put a camber arm on the back to be able to get those wheels and tyres into these arches. Obviously the arch is a bit wider, but with the camber and with the wider, the stretch arch will be good. Big thanks to my mate Dave for lending us this machine. Saves me going out and buying one. We've got loads and loads of work to do on these rear arches. So as you can see, going backwards and forwards, slowly but surely flattening them down to get those wheels in there. Right, I now need to remove the camber arms from underneath the car because we're going to be replacing these with an adjustable camber arm. So we'll be able to slide those wheels in. We have this camber tool on the front so we can match both sides up. You will also see that I am going to be running 45mm spacers in the back. So I'm going to be running these original wheels until I find the set that I really want for the car. So once I get this out, we'll jump up, we'll go and grab the replacement arms, and then we'll start making our adjustments.
Deserving everything you want, everything you need. Trust the process, yeah, you got this. Keep on working till you bleed. Yeah, I've been there, yeah, I've done that. 10 long years of breaking my back, but now I'm up here, never looking back. I got more dreams that I wanna go attack. Keep on going, keep on moving, never give up. I'll keep going, I can prove just what I'm made of. I got that fire in me, got that desire in me. I'm never tired, I'll be pushing till I'm finally free. I was made to break away from the pack, to challenge, to fight, and to carve my own path.
This is our camber arms that we're going to be adjusting. Now you can see they're very, very different from the original ones because they've got a full adjustment on them. So I'm going to put them to stock size to start with. There we go, so that's about stock length. Once we've got stock length, we'll bolt these in and we'll make the adjustments. Loads and loads of adjustments to make them the right size. Right. Let's get under there and fit all of those. Right, let's try this wheel on. Now obviously we're going to have to drop this down once we've got the wheel on to check the fitment. So here we go, this is the start of the fitment. I put the wing on and I want to see how it's going to sit and how the wheel's going to sit. So the toe needs adjusting on this. As you can see, it's pushing in, but it's sitting in the wheel arch quite nicely. Well, nicely until we get some new wheels on it. Well, that's it for part 2. Join us next Wednesday for the finale of this series. Take care.